Here are 5 things I wish I knew starting my modeling career 10 years ago. First thing I wish that I knew you weren't supposed to actually pay to sign with an agency. I did that once, and for 6 months, I got no phone calls, no bookings. I called the customer support, nobody picked up. As a matter of fact, didn't even exist. Yeah, after that, I never paid to sign with an agency. Number 2, do not accept every photo shoot offer. I took a lot of photo shoots that I probably shouldn't have, and then photos came out like just shit. So don't shoot with every photographer. Number 3, read your contracts. Another thing I wish I would have done more in my modeling career 10 years ago was networking. Now in my older years, I'm making so many new relationships and new connections. I wish I would have done more of that in my 20s. So go out there and make some friends. Don't be shy. Another thing I wish I knew in my modeling career then that I knew now is that it takes 60 to 90 days to get paid in this business. I can't make this up. You will do a job and so much time will go by, you realize you never got paid for the job. So it's very important to understand that it takes a long time to get paid in this business, even though the money can be good. I always encourage people to work outside of your passions and work outside of your career. And yeah, those are things I wish I knew in my modeling career then that I do know now. If you want to know more information on how to start your modeling career, visit my cellular workshop at cellular.com.